This is the second video of our InShot video editing learning series. As you know, we have already uploaded the first episode of this series, and in this video, we will learn how to import videos, photos to our InShot application. And also, we will learn how to manage the timeline and how to arrange the video clips in InShot application. So now let's get into the video and learn everything practically.
So now in this video, we will learn how to import a video, how to import a photo to our timeline and InShot application. And this is the second video of our InShot learning series. So now let's get into the video. So in this area, as you can see, this is the create new area. We can import our video, photo, or collage. If you want to import a video, then click on the video option. If you want to import the photo, then you have to click on the photo option. And if you want to make a collage from photos, then you have to click on the collage option. So we are practically working on the video option. So if you want to import your video to the InShot timeline for the first time, then click on the video option here. When you click there, first of all, here we have the new option. Here we can make or create a new project. And at the bottom side, the draft options. Here are the projects you have already worked on them and you have saved them as a draft. So you can bring changes on these projects. And here is the draft option. When you click on this draft option here, all of the draft projects are available on this draft option. So if you want to make a new project, then simply click on the new option here. When you click there, so here are our videos. Simply click on the video and that will be automatically available, or that will go automatically to your InShot application's timeline. At the top side, here we have two options. The first one is the album. Here we have our videos, photos, and the all option. When you click on the all option, here you can see your videos and photos. And if you click for a special album like photo album, you have to click on the photo option. And if you want your video albums, then you have to click on the video option. My recommendation for you is that use this video and photo option, because this all option is gonna make you confused. And the second option here we have at the top right corner is the material option. When you click here, here are the materials that are created from InShot applications company you can use, like clips, intro, outro, transitions, atmosphere, background, social, green screen, and so much other videos and the materials. For now, I don't have internet. If you have internet, you can simply access them and download them, and then you can simply use them in your videos. Now we will come to the album option here. So whatever you want to import to your InShot timeline, simply click on that timeline. For example, I am importing this video. When you click on the video, just simply click on the video and then select other videos like these, and select like this, and select like this, and select like this. When you selected the videos or the photos, then simply click on this tick icon here, and your videos are gonna be imported to your timeline of InShot application. So first of all, this is the InShot timeline. As you can see here, we have our own video, and at the bottom left side, here is the plus icon. You can import your video or photo to your timeline, and the blank option here. And then this area is called the toolbar. You can use the tools from InShot application. You can edit the video from these tools. We will go deep down to every tool in the next videos. And this is the playhead option here. Here you can simply click on this option and your video is gonna be previewed. I mean, when you click on this video, your video is gonna be played, and you can just simply listen to your video like this. And this area, the video area, this is called the preview panel. Here in this area, you can see your own video, your own project. And at the top right corner here is the option like export option here. When you edit all of your video, then simply click on the export option and you can just simply export your video. And if you want to arrange your project, your videos, then simply hold on the timeline option, hold on a video, and here are our all of the videos. Just simply drag them like this, drag them wherever you want to arrange them. For example, I want to bring my this video to the end of the timeline, and I want to bring this video, just simply hold it and drag it to the beginning like this. You can just simply arrange your video, and then when you arranged your video, then simply click on the video option and your video is gonna be like this. Here you can see this is our new management or arrangement of our videos. So this was the second video of our InShot learning series. I hope you might have learned a bunch of things. In the next video, we'll learn about another topic. So if you want to get notification for that next video, then simply subscribe the channel, hit that notification button, and share this video with your friends.